This video will tell you about GeoFence Tracker application and will help you to create and register your account, configure settings, and to manage GeoFence. Security and safety of the family members, especially kids, has always been a topic of discussion. GeoFence Tracker application helps personnel to create a safe zone or unauthorized zone for your family members, kids, or your youngers. You can also use this application for your field staff like delivery staff, support staff, drivers, or office boys. Solution sends email alerts when the phone leaves the specified zone and helps you ensure safety of your family member or workforce. You will get to know about any unauthorized visit made to the places they are not supposed to visit. Let's see how to create and register your account. Download the application from Market. Once it is downloaded, click on the launcher icon. Read the terms of services and click I accept to proceed. Read how to start page to learn the steps about how to create and register your account and how to configure settings. Once it is done, click skip. Registration form will appear. Fill the registration form with valid details. Please note, the email ID entered here will act as a username while logging into your account. Once it is done, click submit. Confirm the registration details and click OK. Now, the details have been submitted for registration. Please check your email frequently for instructions to activate your account. Please do not forget to check your spam or junk folder for registration email. Click OK. Let's now see how to configure settings. Log in to the account with your username and password. Click on the menu button of your Android device. Now click on Settings. Location Manager page will appear. Make sure Position Lock checkbox is enabled to get the locks posted on the dashboard. You can set the geofence radius here, or you can also set it from your dashboard account. Manage geofence. This feature helps you to create a virtual boundary for your field staff and sends you email notification if the geofence has been breached for any reason. To create geofence, choose a user from the phone number drop-down list and click on Add button. Enter the name of geofence, address and radius in the respective text boxes. Latitude and longitude will be taken itself by the system. To see the created geofence on map, click on Show on Map button. Let's now schedule geofence. Scroll down the page. Geofence can be scheduled according to your requirement by selecting the month, date and time range. Click on the particular month or date tab to select them. Click on the email checkbox and then click Add. Geofence is now created and scheduled for this user. You can activate or deactivate a particular geofence by clicking on Active button. Similarly, you can create geofence for other users. Configure report as required using flexible choices. Geofence exception report shows the distance of exception from a particular geofence along with date and time of exception. Report can be viewed in daily, weekly, monthly or date-wise format. To export the report in Excel, click on Export to Excel. You can also configure the report. To configure the report, click Configure. There are two formats available. Either report can be viewed as total number of exception and location of exception, or it can be viewed as distance of exception along with date and location of exception. Once you have configured the settings, click Save. Settings helps you to edit your details and change password. On edit registration page, you can edit the admin details and delete your account. You can change your password on Change Password tab. Time zone helps you to set your country date and time. Download and try it now for free. For more information, please visit mobileappesquire.com or contact us at support@mobileappesquire.com. Thank you.